Hello everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul Rauf and today we're going to talk about distributions. So this is the fourth video about data visualization series. So if you didn't watch the previous three videos, you should watch those first before to come to this video. Okay. So now let's see what are the distributions. Well, distributions visualize display how data values are spread out over a range, revealing patterns, frequencies, and outliers that help understand the shape and spread of data for insightful analysis. Now, here you can see it shows how the display or shows or display the data how spread out it is, or it is how wide range it is, like how impactful the data is by showing the visualization of it. So now you might know like the histogram, bar plot, box plot, which shows the spread or range of the data. So it is very useful for data visualization to show the spread and how the distribution is overall in the data. So now let's see few examples of these. First is histogram. So now here you can see a code of the histogram where I create some random data. Then I use the the P- PLT dot. First, I use the SNS dot histoplot. Then I use the some PLT figures to add the headings and X labels and Y labels. Now here you can see this is the histogram which shows the range of or spread out of the data. Now you can see in the middle it is very large, and in the left and right corner you can see it is less. Now it is going more higher in the center, but it is very low in the like the -3, -2, -1 are in the low range, and 1, 2, 3 are like in the low range. The 3 is very low, -3 is very low. Now -2 and 2 are little bit higher, and then -1 and 1 are the higher, and 0 is the highest. Now you can see. Now you can see the highest value is minus 0 point something, minus 0.7. It is the highest value you can see because this is the line of the. So yeah, this is the example of distribution, one of the example of distribution. Now let's see another example which is a box plot. Now you can see I'm creating the box plot with same SNR box plot, then assigning the data value. Now you can see I also create the same simple data. You already know these are the code because I already explained the previous video. So now here I'm only showing you what is the distribution of these. Now you can see a box plot. It is showing some range. Now here you can see the 0 to 2.5, and then you can see 2 minus 2.5, and then you can see the well, which is the center, which is higher. Now you can see if you can easily find the mid mode or median like from this box plot. Okay. So yeah, this is the next example. Now let's see few more examples. Now you can see a density plot, which I'm also using the SNS.KD plot, which show the density of the data. Now you can see the density of the data in the middle 0.0 it is higher, and then 2.9 and -2.5 lower. Now it shows density of the data. So here is the code. You can see the code too. So after that, now you can see the fill true, which will show the true values and show the. Now you can see it will highlight the values here. So yeah, this is the density plot. Now you get some idea now that how the distribution shows. Now you can see distribution of histogram shows like this, and then you can see the distribution of box plot shows this. These are all three types of distribution plots. They will show the distribution of the data between the range of value or data. It will give the trends about data, like how the data is trending on some specific values. Now you can see these three plots. If you want to see the code, now here is some code for this. I try the previous this is the code for these plots. But if you want to see more code and more insights, you can see the repo I provide in the link in the description, where you can find more code and more explanation with the comments. I show the example and explain the code more with the screenshots and more stuff like that. Okay. So yeah, this was all for distribution plots. I hope you get some idea what are the distributions. So I'll only want to give you some overview about the distribution, because we will talk more in the last video about the stuffs like this. So yeah, stay tuned, and we will be back soon. Bye and take care.